Heading to Clark Airport for a mandatory break, especially for me. And first stop, we're here sa Petron Marilao. So, Clark Airport it is. Tara! Parking. Who's recording the license? So you can park here. It's a long-term parking. Time check 6:31. Catching the flight for 9:40.
With Daddy.
Nakahanap ka agad ng kalaro si Aston.
What's your name?
So far, on time. Departure na. Plane. 9:40 on the dot.
Compartment. At
Landed
bago po
at
kayo makabati,
31.
na po lahat ng inyong kagamitan.
Next transpo, van to port. Since 2 o'clock pa yung check-in sa hotel, we opted to eat our lunch here sa may Jetty Port, sa may Andox. Kain! Got our lunch and... Where are we now? No, not here. We're riding the boat going to... from Jetty Port going to... Boracay Island, and one more, which is the E-Trike. Okay, one last E-Trike na lang after this. Isang sakay na lang. Where?
My stand.
Oh, you saw a sand, the shore. Oh, let's go. Let's go ride an E-Trike and then you see the Boracay Beach. You ready? Oh, let's go. Last one, E-Trike. Not for you. Just 5. And they left. Checking in na kami. Meron silang gym. Yung hallway. Ito yung room namin. Yan. May bathtub. Tapos meron ka nun. Kita mo yung tulugan. But since we're 6, requested for 2 beds and additional pull-out bed. So the usual. Merong minibar. May mirror. TV. Mirror ulit. And that's it. Without a view, kasi yung mga room nila na malalaki, walang mga view. Tapos, the rate that we have for this room is 4,500 plus additional 500 pesos lang dun sa pull-out bed. So, not bad. Not bad. Okay na yun. For this, imagine December 25 ngayon ha. So, yes, we're happy. And this is our bed. Later, i-abuse namin tong bed na to. Kasi wala pa kaming tulog. Okay. Diba, I'm peeing. So, while you're peeing, may audience. Aston, we can see you. You're aw-aw while you're peeing. Ito naman yung gym. So, yan. Quite simple. Pwede na. Yan. Ito yung pool nila sa 6th floor. And this is the view. This is their view. Yan. Simula dumating kami, it's been drizzling kasi may bagyo. Pero, if you get lucky, baka magka-sunset kasi nag-clear up naman siya. Pero ayun, drizzling pa rin. Tapos ayun yung pool nila sa baba. Near the lobby. So, yun lang. Lakad muna kami sa shore. Buffet dinner sa Henan. Third. Where's the third? Day 2, we slept like a baby. So now, try namin yung buffet nila for the first time. The breakfast buffet. Medyo fair naman yung weather. Sana umaraw na. Let's go.
Ito po yung skin cancer. Yung marami si tatay. Pero nagsasunblock si tatay.
Yeah. That's Aston.
Ay, Bo. Aston!
Day 2. Basically, we're halfway from our day 2. So, yan. Ito lang kami nag-spend. Like, breakfast, buffet, dun sa hotel mismo. Tapos, most of the time, nag-swim na lang kami. Sobrang ganda na ng weather. Sobrang init na. So, ayan. Tapos, okay na. Lunchtime.
Mas mahal ba ito nung normal?
Mandatory siesta because today is Thursday, church day. Day 3 na namin. So yan yung weather ngayon. Pero tuloy kami sa island hopping. Hindi ko alam kung mura na ko namin eh. Pero we only got it for 1,100 per head. Island hopping. That includes ATV and zip line. TV and zipline venue, but to our surprise, may kasama pa ng swimming. Wala na sila. Like this one, may ostrich din. Philippine Hotel, Tarantula, Bearded Dragon. You happy? Yeah, it's nice. It's pretty long. Okay. Picture smile. Going back to Bora with the speedboat. Day 4, last day. Pagod from activity yesterday. Very excited also because we get to swim again. So start the day with the breakfast. Last one in this dessert. Last day namin, no concrete plan but to chill. Bait naman yung weather. Cloudy lang. Cloudy lang pero okay. Okay, so chill day.
Ayun, parang picture na yun. Wag mo. Ayan, she's biting him.